But one non-bipartisan group says many deaf people don't have access to the services they need. News 10 NBC's Declan Stablo spoke with a rep from the Deaf Equity Council who says they're trying to change that.
The DEC's mission is to reduce the language, accessibility, and cultural barriers that the local deaf community faces. After 5 years of effort, the council received its charter earlier this year. I spoke with Davin Searles, a rep from the DEC, about the challenges faced by the deaf community. One example he gave was a lack of accessibility to public service announcements. He says a recent boil water advisory wasn't available in American Sign Language. He says he's also had trouble finding work in the past. Keep in mind, the other voices you'll hear in this story are of Davin's interpreters.
For myself, I've already applied for a job, and then I say I need an interpreter, and then it's kind of like they drop the ball.
Now, despite the deaf community's large presence in Rochester, Searles says that presence isn't reflected in local government.
Now with the DEC, we have that. We have the deaf people who will be talking with legislature, making decisions, and could shape policy the way that it would be successful.
Searles says that recent cuts to Medicaid could also hurt the deaf community.
Medicaid is not just health insurance for many deaf people. Also, it covers interpreters, transportation, or if they're needing in-home support.
Searles offered several policies he said could benefit the deaf community, including tax incentives for companies that hire deaf people and increased access to interpreters. In studio, I'm Declan Stablo with News 10 NBC.
And the DEC says you can help the deaf by taking some language class, sign language classes, and attending deaf cultural classes.